Welcome to all. In this video, we'll learn how to draw the isometric projection from front view and top view of an object. Now, first of all, determine the length, height and width of an object. So here, length is equal to 75 mm, height is equal to 40 mm and width is given 50 mm. Now, first of all, draw a box of size 75, 40 and 50 mm from point O. O represents origin. So first of all, draw a horizontal line. Here height is given, height is 40 mm. So draw a line at an angle of 90 degree of size 40 mm. This represents origin. Now from O to the right, take a length of size 75 mm at an angle of 30 degree. So set angle 30 degree in drafter and along the right draw a line of size 75 at an angle of 30 degree. Again width is given, width is 50 mm but in left direction. So again set a drafter at an angle of 30 degree and draw a length of size 50 mm. So from point O, this represents length of size 75 mm. We want to start the isometric view of an object. So this is just we want to go one by one. So we want to draw a rectangle of size. This size is given 25 mm and height is 15 mm. So first of all, draw this rectangle. So how it look like in top view? This line represents this line and this line. Both are the two parallel lines, but in top view it becomes one line. So from this point we want to draw a rectangle of size 25 by 15 mm. So from this point take length is 25, height is 15 again, length is equal to 25 mm and height is 15 mm. So this rectangle is over. It means that simultaneously you reach these points and here you will reach these points. Again next, here again you will get a rectangle of size same 25 by 15 mm, but here along the width take a distance of size 15 mm. So how to draw this one? It is very important. So along the width, this width is given 15 mm. So along the width take a distance of size 15. So you will reach at the same points. Again here you will get rectangle of size 25 mm. And width is 15 mm. here you will get rectangle of size 25 by 15 mm. Again here you will get rectangle another 25 mm by 15 mm, and complete the first portion of isometric view. Here remaining lines are obtaining of size 25 mm and 15 mm. Okay, this portion is over. After that, I want to draw this part. When you are looking from front, you will get height, but here you want to give one distance along the width is 25 mm. So along the width you want to take a distance of size 25 mm and height is given. Height is again same 25 mm. Okay. Now this distance is given along the width is 25 by 20. So here again you will get rectangle of size 25 by 20 mm. So in top view, in this plane, you will get rectangle of size 25 mm by 20 mm. Now I want to draw this portion. It is lie in front view of size lifting 15 mm. This distance is total 75 mm. So this distance is 15 mm. So from side view, here you will get rectangle of size 15 by 50 mm. Again along the width, left some distance of size 15 mm. Again this distance is given of size 25. Mark these points and along the width take a distance of size 15 mm and join this line. So this is the isometric view of an object. Extend this line. So here you will get the isometric view. After that, give the overall dimensions. Overall dimension means total length, total height, and width of an object. Total length is 75 mm. Total width is 50 mm. Total height is given is 40 mm. Thank you.